Hey guys, Melissa here. Today I want to show you how I made this awesome snake ring. So grab your hammers and let's go. So to make a snake ring, I grabbed some 12 gauge wire, I grabbed my mandrel. So I want them to snake around the finger. I think I'll hover around a 7 or 8. This technically will be adjustable. The ends won't be closed. I want to leave some room for the head and the tail to kind of snake down the finger. Let me cut it off about there. So this video won't be very technical. It's more about shaping and sculpting your wire into the shape you want. So just bear with me here as I try to shape this wire into a snake. This guy's gonna be the tail end, so I want to file that down and shape it into a tail before I start winding it up. Snip it to kind of a point, not too sharp, but I want to get the sharp edges off of it. The scored off edges, I'm gonna take a metal file and start shaping this. I don't want that tail tip to be too sharp. I don't want it to be so pointy that it'll be dangerous. Just want a nice rounded tail. Okay, so I think I'm done with this ring for now. So this video is mostly pounding and making noise. That's why I pretty much set it to music. So this is how it turned out. So those are fun to make. All it takes is a piece of 12 gauge wire. You can use copper or silver or whatever you want. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you thought. And also don't forget to subscribe because I make a new video each week. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.